Google files case against Germany's expanded hate speech law. Google announced on Tuesday that it was pursuing legal action in response to a recently enacted extended version of Germany's hate speech law, claiming that its provisions violated its customers' right to privacy. The Alphabet, Google.O business, which runs video sharing site YouTube, has launched a lawsuit in Cologne's administrative court to contest a provision that permits user data to be provided to law police before it is obvious that a crime has been committed. The plea for a judicial review comes as Germany prepares for a general election in September, amid fears that hostile discourse and social media influence operations could destabilize the country's usually orderly campaign politics. In a blog post, Sabine Frank, YouTube's regional manager of public policy, wrote, "This vast involvement in our users' rights is, in our opinion, not just in conflict with data protection, but also with the German constitution and European law." In early 2018, Germany passed the NetzDG anti-hate speech law, which made online social media platforms YouTube, Facebook, FB.O, and Twitter, TWTR.N, liable for monitoring and removing poisonous content. The regulation, which also forced social media companies to post regular compliance reports, was widely panned, and Parliament approved laws in May to toughen and widen its implementation. Google has taken issue with a stipulation in the extended NetzDG that mandates providers to share the personal information of people sharing vile content with law authorities. It claims that a decision on whether to file a criminal case is made only after the personal information is in the hands of law enforcement, implying that data of innocent individuals could end up in a crime database without their awareness. Network providers like YouTube are now obligated to automatically submit user data en masse and in bulk to law enforcement agencies without any court order, without the user's permission, and only on the suspicion of a criminal offense, according to a Google spokeswoman.